Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well, today also I'm here with smoked pork. I'm going to make this smoked pork. Last time also I made, so this is the remaining one. Just one piece I'm going to make. It's only for 2 people, so just one piece I'm using. Along with this, I got this. See. It's Naga Lasoon. I think it's called Chives, Naga Lasoon. I don't know. I'm much comfortable in saying Naga Lasoon. So this, and also I got this king chili. See, oh my god. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 piece, but I'm not going to add all. So today I'm going to make this recipe: smoked pork, Naga Lasoon, and king chili. And rest of the ingredients also I will show you. Okay guys, let me show you the ingredients once again. This is smoked pork, Naga Lasoon, king chili, tomatoes, 3 pieces of tomatoes, and some green chilies, and also salt. Come on guys, we'll start cooking. Before that, you have to clean this in hot water, and also you have to clean this. So come on guys, let's start cooking and let's start cleaning. So wash it in a hot water. This is the first wash. Now I'll throw this water. I'm washing it twice. It's done. Now I'm going to cut it in small pieces. Since I'm going to make it chutney, I'm cutting in very small pieces. Oh, this knife is not sharp. Okay. This is bone, so I'm not going to cut it, just I'll leave it like this. Add hot water. I've already cut the tomatoes. Just 4 or 5 pieces of green chilies, and this king chili, red one I'm adding. Now add this smoked pork also. We will cook it like 15 to 20 minutes. By the time I will clean this Naga Lasoon. Well guys, tomato, king chili and green chilies are cooked properly, so I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to pound this. Oh God, king chili laga smell though. Man bhara gunda ase. Now I'll put it back in this vessel. Now we'll cook it till the water dries up. The water is going to dry up. Just like 2-3 minutes I will cook it. When it's about to dry up, every few seconds you have to stir it, otherwise it will burn. Okay guys, it's done. Now you should off the flame. I have already cleaned the Naga Lasoon. I've removed the outer layer and I have washed it in water. By the way, it was too small, so it took me a lot of time to clean this, but no pain, no gain. So it's done. Now I'm going to crush this. Don't make it a paste, just put one by one and just crush it like this. If you put it all together, then it will be a little bit hard to crush. So just one piece and do like this. If the Naga Lasoon is bigger in size, then you can just cut it by knife also. But it's too small, see, it will be so difficult to cut, so I'm just crushing it. So I will add here just a little bit of salt. Remember that while cooking the smoked pork, I've already added the salt. So here just add a little bit of salt. So all that salt, it will go nicely inside the Naga Lasoon. So ho gaya. Now we will add this in smoked pork chutney. And bhawra mixed gravy. You don't need to cook this lasoon. So guys, our smoked pork with Naga Lasoon chutney is ready. Now I'm going to enjoy eating. Well guys, this is the recipe for today. Smoked pork with Naga Lasoon. See this. This is just dukan wala pickle. And today I just boiled the potato. That's all. Potato, and I add some salt. That's all. So with this I'm going to have. Let me have this. Oh. It's not sad. It's like, I think maybe after 4 or 5 years I'm having this Naga Lasoon. And the king chili makes the sabji more tastier. Oh. ये fats हैं. Well guys, this is the recipe for today and really it's so tasty. Ito खाइसले तो मुताई भी पाउरी जाबो. And it's very simple. Smoked pork, Naga Lasoon, tomato, king chili and green chili. If you don't have king chili, you can just add green chili. If you don't have this Naga Lasoon, yeah, of course you can add spring onion, but the taste will be totally different. But still then, if you want, you can add spring onion. That's all. So guys, that's all. Enough talking. I'm going to eat and I'm going to wind up here. So guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also don't forget to share it and also hit the notification icon. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.